Making hard-boiled eggs in microwave. Yes, you can cook eggs in a microwave. Don't let others tell you wrong. All you need to do is relieve the pressure, so they don't explode. Step 1. Wash your eggs. You will want to clean all the nasty farm-fresh poop off them, especially since we will have holes in their ends. We don't want to get salmonella here. Step 2. Now here is the important part. Poking pressure release holes in the eggs. Use a clean thumbtack or paper clip for this part. One hole is enough. Step 3. Put the eggs in a microwave-safe container to boil them in. Step 4. Cook them. Put them in the microwave on high for the appropriate time and let them cook. Times may vary, depending on make and model. Step 5. Rinse the eggs in cool water for a few minutes. Step 6. Eat them. Enjoy.